Cue the tech beats. Welcome to a whirlwind tour of building your very own PC in 2024. First stop, the heart of your machine, the processor. Think Intel or AMD depending on your need for speed. Next, a motherboard to hold everything together. Remember, compatibility is key. Third, random access memory. More RAM equals smoother multitasking. Fourth, a solid-state drive. In 2024, we don't do slow. Fifth, the graphics card. Gamers, designers, pay attention here. Sixth, the power supply. Keep it reliable. Seventh, a cool case to house all your components. And finally, the operating system. Windows, Linux, macOS, it's your call. Remember, building a PC is like a puzzle. Each piece as crucial as the next. So gear up, tech enthusiasts. Your PC building adventure awaits.